Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you the fried liver attack. So first we are going to play it on the white's perspective, and then we're going to play it on the black's perspective. So here's how it goes. So here, this is the fried liver attack because this knight and bishop are both attacking the weak f7 square, and the knight is threatening to fork the queen and rook. So here, the obvious choice for black is pawn to d5. And here you will take with the pawn. And most players will obviously go for knight takes back, because if bishop takes, the queen can just take back. But however, that is a blunder, because you can play knight takes on f7. Well, the king has to take, or else he'll lose his queen or rook. So here you play queen to f3 check, which not only checks the king but also double attacks this knight. So if black goes for something like king to e6, you can attack the knight the third time by developing your knight. So the obvious choice for black is to play knight to b4, putting more defense on this knight and threatening to fork the king and rook. So here you will castle, and black will have to defend this knight with c5 if he wants to capture this pawn on c2. But here, white will play this move pawn to d4, because if this pawn takes, you can shatter his position by playing rook to e1. So black captures, and white will play knight to e4. The thing is that you have took control of this g5 square, and right now white is winning because he has a really good position, and this king is out in the open, and you can easily take advantage of that and checkmate the black king. So let's look at that in black's perspective, and let's see how he can play against this fried liver. So here, after white plays the move knight to g5, instead of playing pawn to d5, you will play bishop to c5. This is called the Traxler counterattack. Here, white will obviously go for the take. Then you will take this pawn on f2. The king takes, and then you play knight takes on e4. And if black goes for king to f3, you will have this queen to f6 check, sacrificing the knight. Then queen to f4 check, king to d3, and pawn to d5. This move not only sacks the rook but also hits the bishop. So if white goes for something like bishop takes on d5, you can hunt these two pieces down by playing queen to d4 check. king moves, and then queen takes, knight takes, and then I will have this move bishop to g4, and what black will obviously win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later if you change your mind. Bye.